Hi everybody. Why don't all zebras look the same? Why are some people more resistant to disease? There's a reason for the differences we see among individuals, and these differences are how life builds possibilities. Life needs differences or variation within a species in order for evolution to happen. Variation follows reliable biological rules shaped by our environment, our genes, and the systems that pass them on from one generation to the next. So, where do all these differences come from? First, they come from mutations, which are changes in DNA during cell copying. These tiny changes lead to different versions of a gene. Mutations can be helpful, they can be harmful or neutral, but the key is that they create new traits that evolution can work with. Variation also comes from sexual reproduction, which involves reshuffling of traits between parents at the level of genes in the reproductive cells, resulting in offspring that have a unique or new combination of genes. A third reason is gene flow. This happens when individuals move from one population to another, bringing their genes with them and introducing them to the new community when they reproduce. So, we've established the existence of variation among individuals. So, why is variation so important? Because without it, every organism would react the same to heat, hunger, infection, or other challenges. If a catastrophic event occurred and there were no individuals of a population that could respond differently or better, the entire population could be wiped out. But with variation, some survive better. And those consistent survival differences are what enhance adaptation over generations. Consider the peppered moth in industrial England. The darker moths blended in with soot-covered trees, while lighter ones stood out. The white ones were eaten, and the black moths survived. What was the difference between them? The difference was a single gene change that was passed down consistently. And this one difference reshaped the population of the peppered moth during the Industrial Revolution. You can begin to see with these examples why variation is so important. Without variation, there would be nothing to select from. It sets the stage for everything that evolution can build. However, differences among individuals wouldn't mean much unless they were passed on, which is why reproduction is an important component of evolution by natural selection. What's your favorite example of variation in nature? And what would you like covered in future videos? Please let me know in the comments below, and thanks so much for watching. See you again soon.